Hala, time na, late na. Oh my God, late.
Hindi pa naman yung ano.
Bisa, nadi ka magsalik.
Alright guys, nandito tayo sa Darwin Airport. So we're going to Bali with the team of Lianda. Yes, I got it. So 10 minutes na lang. I think we're late now. Alright, let's go. 1 week holiday. I know. So guys, matay tayo sa departure. Ala, si Tia na late. Last minute going to Bali. Yay! Excited! Ano kaya nasa Bali guys? Tingnan natin. Yeah! Going to Bali. Ilang oras ang biyahe?
2 hours.
2 hours? Oh my God. See you Bali in 2 hours. Yay! Let's go! Let's go to Bali! Let's go! Hi guys, excited na mo mag-Bali? Ha? Hi guys, we are here at the Jetstar aircraft. So, we're going to Bali for 2 hours travel. Alright. See you Bali in 2 hours. Okay, excited. Excited na ka rin? Yeah. Excited na ka pa? Excited na ka pa? Welcome to Bali! First time in Bali? Ah! Welcome to Bali!
Ano ito yun?
Asa yan, habilin?
Bali na ako. I didn't want to think I was born, but I'm not. I was supposed to leave.
Bali ko na mabaho.
There's another jet.
Welcome to Bali International Airport. Tabian kay ang bata, no?
Asa man na? No. Passport from?
Passport?
Where you come from? Tagal. Wala.
Itong mga family nila, dito lagi ito dito. Anansa. I think they actually like.
Welcome to Bali!
Uy.
Ayan guys, paghihintay lang kami ng sundo namin. Nasaan na siya? Nasaan na si Mada? Where are you, Mada? Where are you, Pilipinas, ang Bali? Yes? Hi! Hi! Ito. Just take your time, Althea. Ayan. Ayan. Palabas na tayo sa airport ng Indonesia.
Eat McDo here. Then Jollibee here. Is it? Then rice and chicken.
Ayan, oh. Tanawa si Mada. Ay. Nas akbang siguro dayo. Tara dayo. Dito eh. Over there. Ayan, oh. Already, agi. Sabi na kung pwede manglakod. Hi! Nandito na tayo sa Bali. We're here at Bali, guys. Ooh, look like we're in the Philippines. Yeah. Alright. Alright, tingnan natin yung sundo namin. Anong masasabi mo sa Bali? What can you say about Bali? Bali Airport.
Magani, kada pa kita ta.
Excited ba? Hi guys, kamoy. Hello. Ayan. Caesar. Hanapin yung we're gonna find out. Hey, where's the paper? Hey, he's here. Friend ko siya sa Facebook, guys. No. All good.
Give me your bag.
We have a taxi already. Yeah.
Company.
Yeah. Okay, change of money. Million ang money dito, guys. Million. It's a Bali. Alright, what's your name?
Miguel.
She's a vlogger, sir.
Welcome to
Oh, what's your name, Miguel?
Welcome to Bali. Alright. Change money tayo, guys.
First time in Bali?
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you unlock please?
Oh, yes.
Alright. Nahirapan sa kalisod, guys. Ini siya.
Yeah, 8 days.
You wanna drink bintang?
Your bag, guys.
Okay, palit.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Are you guys drinking beer na po? That's allowed? Oh, shit.
Ha? Allowed pala mag-drink ng beer.
Kasi Ashley, wala ko ba yung tape? You need to touch my house, right? Yes, you can ask there, right? Sure. My sister.
Pila ka room ni Day?
Hello.
Oh,
I'm gonna
wow.
go my room there.
Sorry lang siguro may sa ubos.
Ay, okay sa taas.
I'll check your room.
Wow, parang akong princess dito, Day. Gusto mo dito, of course.
Fancy room.
Tapos na lang.
Fancy room. Oh, wow. Hala, ninduta ko diri. Oh, wow. This is very nice. Oh my God. Bro, kapoy man siya sig saka-saka. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
Hey.
So high.
I'll check the other room. Nandun kayo sa taas pa. Very nice. So, this is Bella. 3-bedroom. I'm gonna check the other room. Oh! Wow! Wow, special. What happened?
So nice.
Where's the toilet?
Oh, so cool.
Oh, yeah.
So modern.
Ano nga nga kuan?
Oh, love fruit.
Low fruit? Nice, hey. Say $1,600 in 6 nights. Wow, not bad.
7 nights. I have ordered a burger.
Tara, pangilis ano na sa ubos pa kay Kapoy kay sige ko. Alright. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Indonesia. Indonesia ba? Bali. Alright, ito yung rooms. Ito yung villa. It's worth 300 bedroom. Worth 3. Kapoy vlog. Mga na ta mga. Ito yung first food namin, McDonald's pa rin. Nasa Bali na.
So good.
First food natin dito. Day 1. Nagang akman. Hello, good morning Bali. Hey, D1. La la la. Nice feeling. Good morning. Ang siya feeling naman sa Bali? What's your feeling here? Good. Good. Ayaw, Miro. Gipakuan na ninyo. May swimming pool dito. Alright. Tara na, swimming. Wow. Okay. Magkape na tara. Alright, magkape na ta. Ashley, buhay rin na. Okay, coffee time. Dala pa rin namin yung DXN na kape. Good morning, DXN. We're here in Bali. Alright. Good morning, Bali.
Puno na. No.
Puno na. Hindi mo na bukuan.
Nag-ginseng muna siya.
Thank you for bringing us here, Althea.
Oh.
For Althea's birthday!
Wala na?
Wala na, ako nag-off. Pakita. Dira na kasi tapang.
Oh, na, diha.
Iko na.
Asa man eh. Asa man to.
I-play down na.
Isa to sa iyo. Bluetooth. Open yung Bluetooth.
Lamay maligo, dala ka ng hubog ka ba? O di na lamay maligo, dala ka ng hubog ka? Nainit yung lawas, kung maligo.
Video silang coffee time!
Ano sa puros to?
Ito makita sa kasabit W8. Transfer man na.
Ay, transfer.
Transfer pa ko na siya.
100% to, yun import.
Importance of import mo glasses. Dili pwede siya ka-import ng nag-own. Let's go, D1! Gala mood! Day 1 tayo. Pagi?
Morning.
Naligo ng birthday girl, oh. Ay, kasiksi. Ay, atong taguan, kasiksi ra kayo.
Naka-video na ni? Wala pa? Video na? Nag-flash? Wow. Guys, room tour. Guys, sa amin rin, oh. Ooh. So guys, this is villa for today. Ning puno na lagi ang tubig ning puno na, no?
Puno na
Cleansing. Guys.
Thank you for
Say hi.
bringing us here, Althea.
Oh.
Althea's birthday! Okay, let's go, D1. Day 1 in Bali. Alright, magsiswimming kami guys. So, we'll see. Hintay lang kami ng driver. Alright, excited. Nakakapi lang kami hanggang umaga hanggang hapon. So, we're done with the coffee. So, breakfast time later. Later, alligator. You need to start at home.
Hi.
Plano ka. Wait! Drone man eh.
Wow. Ay.